Hi everyone, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison that I have already done. When Mi A1 was running Nougat, but now it has got the stable Oreo update, and of course 7X is still running Nougat. So I want to find out how fast is Mi A1 in comparison to 7X. Honor 7X on the other hand, still running Nougat, but it will get Oreo update. That's definite. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's quickly hit the power key. Here we go. Now I did the test as I said when Mi A1 was running Nougat. If you want to check that out, link in the description. And remember, I never had a test in which Mi A1 won the boot up test. It takes a lot of time. Let's see what happens here. Has Oreo done something? Let's see. Okay. Android 1, Honor 7X. Okay. Oh wow, that's a surprise right there. That's what we want to see. And that was not like a split second difference. There was some margin, so thumbs up for that. So yeah, let's get started. Everything is closed in the background. Start with the phone dialer. Oh, so 7X with the start. Calendar. Again. Let's try with Chrome. Again. So yeah, let's open settings. Oh, that was again I think a little bit faster on 7X. Camera. Okay, so that was faster on Mi A1. Okay, so let's move on to section A as always. That is social app. Twitter. Again goes to 7X. Instagram. Okay, so Mi A1. Snapchat. Again Mi A1. Facebook. Oh, 7X. So Tinder will also be a tiebreaker. Let's open it. Oh, so that was I think faster on Mi A1. So that's pretty much it for the social app. Let's try with shopping. eBay. Okay, so I think that was pretty similar. Amazon. Okay. 7X opened and loaded first as well. Mi A1. Lazy boy. Gearbest. Oh, so this time Mi A1, I think he heard me. Anyways, Banggood. Oh, that was really equal. Last time Mi A1 completely dominated this section, but not this time. Anyways, we're into the game section. Let's get started with this game, Motor Traffic Race. Okay, let's see. If this is your favorite section, let me know by liking this video. Oh, 7X, but a real close. Subway Surfers. Can A1 come back? Let's see. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it. Okay, right now they're pretty equal. No 7X faster. Yes, 7X faster. Mi A1 done, but took some time. Let's see this jet trigger. Okay, so 7X faster. Okay, so let's try with the heaviest game, GTA San Andreas. New game, here we go. Okay, looks like Mi A1 this time. Finally, yes, Mi A1, Honor 7X as well, not far behind. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the game section as well. Let's try with the browsing speed. ClickBank, the first website. Here we go. 7X looking faster. Okay, not yet completed. Okay, so Honor 7X faster. Mi A1 took some time. Still taking some time, as you can see. Okay, let's move to website number 2. That is apple.com. Let's see what happens here. Again, 7X faster. Mi A1 took some time. Yahoo.com. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It does help a lot. Okay, so Mi A1 first to show up. Honor 7X still not there. Okay, finally 7X as well, but none of them have completed, as you can see. Let's see. Okay, so Mi A1, Netflix. Okay, Okay, 7X and then Mi A1. So finally it's time to check the RAM management settings. Refresh on both. Let's check out more. RAM. Okay, that's refreshed as well. Okay, motor traffic race still there. Subway Surfers still there. Okay, let's try GTA San Andreas. Okay, still there as well. Dead Trigger still there. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps it up. I hope you like this test. Mi A1 got the Oreo update. It is, I mean, not a real big change, but you saw that there was, I mean, some improvement, some speed over there, but it was a really good competition. I won't say Honor 7X was not good, because it's running on Nougat. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, and peace out.